Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, go ahead and subscribe and help the channel tremendously. Guys, this is some plumbing I'm doing at my house. So I had spoke to somebody about, they advised me to use the SharkBite and those PEX. This is what the thing is, guys. It's good for PEX, copper, so you name it. This is how this thing works. Basically, I have this pipe I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. Guys, you can use anything else to make sure you remove the groove out of this thing here. Okay, I'm using this thing to remove the groove. Okay guys, I removed the groove. Get a closer look. This one is different. Now I'm gonna push it in there. That's it. That's it, guys. That's all it takes. Now it won't come out. I say it won't come out. I'm gonna do the same thing over there. Before I show you guys, let's see inside of it. Jesus Christ. No, I got the right one. Oh my God, I was messed up. This is the one I'm gonna use for this. Okay, I got the right one, guys. That goes like this. I did it like that. Because this thing gonna go all the way in the middle. So let's remove the groove in here. Okay. So the groove is removed. Now I gotta do the same thing, guys. Where's my tools? Guys, you get to see it on the carpet because I'm gonna do the same thing on the carpet. This is how I'm gonna do it. Push it there. You can go like this, guys. Push it down, or you can press it. So I prefer to press it. That's it. You still turn. You press it, but you can't take it out though. You gotta have the tools to take it out. But right now, this is perfect. Now, should I test it to see if the water gonna come out of it? It's a good way to test it, guys. Now I gotta do my measurement. This is a pipe I'm gonna put downstairs. This groove is not that great, but I cut it. I'm gonna use the same thing. Let's see what's happening, guys. Now I have two of them. They're both working, guys. And I'm gonna use the copper. So you're gonna see that, and then the other. I'm gonna do that in a few minutes. I have a couple more to put in there. I have this guy to put in there, and also, yeah, I have to put that in here, guys. Okay, see how easy it went inside? And I'm gonna sand this a little bit, okay? I'm gonna do that level here, right there. Guys, I finished to sand it. Now let me show you. You see inside of it, guys. This is a pretty nice device. Okay, mine is not fully round, but it's good enough. So I'm gonna do like this, guys. There we go. See, it went all the way through. Now you can't take it out. It's sealed. That's it. This is what I use. I'm gonna do the same thing on the red one. You just do that to remove the groove because or you can buy there's a special tools you buy for this. You can buy that too. Okay. You just wipe this and get the other. I'm looking at the groove. This is fine. And put it in there. This is for the red one. There we go. You see it went clip. You hear that little noise? Now you can't take it out. You see it as far as it can go. You see the groove in there? So you got enough groove, you're good. This is done. This will replace however you're gonna use. Now I'm gonna use the thing for copper too. You're gonna see how he stuck in there. And that's gonna be that's downstairs in the basement. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this video, guys. So this part is done. Now I have a couple more wires to do. A couple more cable to do. Guys, whatever you feel like doing, do not put your finger in there. Do not put your finger in there. Okay. So now we can test this joint, this part if it leak. What do you think, guys? Should I go and check it? Why not? Because I just sand this part. I'm gonna do the same way. Why I'm doing it multiple times for you guys to see. You don't be afraid. This ain't gonna work. Okay, it's already there. That's as much I can push it. Now I'm gonna go and put some water in there so you see. Oh yeah. I'm supposed to do it on one side to put it over water. Guys, I gotta try to put some water in there. Maybe I should do it in the small one. Let's put some water in this, see what happens. Guys, I'm putting some water in the pipe. Okay. Putting some water, guys. I want to see there's no leak. If this thing works the way this is supposed to work. Guys, I make a mess. Okay, I make a mess. This thing came out on this side here. So this clearly there's no leak. I make a mess, that's what it is. There's no leak in there. Let me wipe this thing and show you. Okay guys, this is the pipe. Okay. Let me shut the water off that. Okay guys. There's no leak. There's water inside here. Okay, there's water inside here. Let's follow this thing. I'm going to throw it on the sink, guys. Now, you see? What is in the sink? I fill up the pipe. There's nothing wrong with the pipe. Everything's, I just spilled some water in there. I'm going to do another one so where I don't spill water. Okay? Okay, folks, this is another one I'm doing. So, I already sand it. I'm just going to push this thing inside there. That's it, guys. You see how this thing turns? You can turn it. This is fine. It won't come out. This is it. So I'm gonna go pour some water in there. They're both loose. They're both loose, guys. And see what happens because it won't leak. So far so good. I did another one. It didn't leak. Okay, guys. You can see the thing taking water. Okay. Now this is the way I hold it. So therefore nothing drops. The shit dropped because you see this is where it dropped, guys. But the thing, I put too much water in it. Okay guys, there it is. Okay, there's water in there, guys. Let me pour the water out. You guys can see it. There we go. Okay, there was water in there. So that's be the end of this. Now guys, I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna dry this thing up and go downstairs to stick this thing on the copper and see how it works. I put the piping down here first because it's a lot easier to do. So now I'm gonna cut this wire, this thing, guys, the copper. I'm gonna cut it and put this thing inside of here. Okay, and it's gonna send that also. I'm gonna send it and put it in there. So this thing goes right here. So I'm gonna cut it right in the middle here. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna cut it. Okay, guys, I don't want to have too many. I cut this wire first. You're gonna have some pressure coming in. So I don't want to mess. I don't want to have a mess in here. So there's this bucket here, and then cut it little by little. When this thing starts dripping, I'm gonna go tight this thing up, put this thing in there. That'll be one section. I'm gonna do the same thing, but the problem is, it would be nice if I drain this thing first. It would be nice if I drain it, but I don't have any tools right now to drain it. I don't want to make a mess in here. Okay, folks, that will be. This is what's about to happen. I'm gonna cut this thing, finish cutting it. Yeah, it should be fine. And then tie this one up. This is sand, very nice. I cut it already. This is fine. Now I'm gonna put this thing right in there. Okay, I got one hand. I need somebody to help me, or I gotta put the camera back and do it. Let me go ahead and do that, guys. This is snap into it. You just snap. This is movable, you can move it. You turn, well, the water is not gonna come out. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other one. The other one gonna have back water. There's the water on the pipe all the way on the whole house. I gotta drain the water in there, then do the same thing.